Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we'll start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because there you can find all of the codes I'll present you today and many more, many other tutorials, so I highly recommend. So let's open the dialer and start with the shortest code, which is *06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with this pop-out window, which will provide us with the email numbers and serial number of this device. Let me show you another code, which is, to be honest, my personal favorite and the most interesting. It is *###. And as you can see, right here we've got the, maybe I can, It's really bright, so let me maybe try to *###. No, okay. I hope that you will be able to see something. Basically, this section allows us to check the components of our device. So for example, after tapping on red, your device will display the red color all across the screen, and if you can see it everywhere without any kind of missing spots like white or dark dots, it means that it works fine. The same situation with the green, blue, etc. I have no idea why it is really that bright, but to be honest, I highly recommend to simply enter this code on your device and have fun with it. So just check whether everything works perfectly fine. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay, so double back. Now we have to increase the brightness. And let me open another code. Well, let me show you another code which will open the USB settings. It is *##0808#. And as I said, here we've got the USB settings, so you can replace the modes. You can currently we've got MTP. You can set this a different one. Let's go back and let's enter the code, which is probably the most the easiest to remember. It is *##1234#. And thanks to this code, you can enter this version section, so you can check the APCP and the model, the exact model. So let me show you another code. It is *##2663#, and there we've got the firmware version, so the advanced version, the advanced section, let's say. It is also technical. You can refresh the Wi-Fi version here. You can learn more about the Bluetooth, etc. And the last code for the service mode, it is *##0011#. And there we've got the service mode. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.